Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use OwnerRez for property management. First is setting up OwnerRez. Sign up, create an account on OwnerRez and choose your plan. Add properties. In your dashboard, go to Properties, add property to input property details like address, name of rooms, and amenities. Sync with listing sites. Next is managing reservations. For booking calendar, view and manage reservations through the calendar interface. Automated confirmations. Set up automated emails for booking confirmations, reminders, and cancellations. For payment processing, enable payment processing through OwnerRez or third-party integrations like Stripe. For managing guests, for guest profile, add guest details manually or sync them from external booking platforms. Send personalized messages to guests pre-arrival, during their stay, and post-departure. On handling payments and invoices. To create invoices, generate invoices for bookings with such customizable payment terms. Track payments. Monitor payments and track overdue balances. For security deposits, set up refundable or non-refundable security deposits. Automation and integrations. For automated tasks, set up tasks like cleaning schedules or check-in instructions to be triggered based on booking events. For accounting integration, sync with accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero for financial tracking. Best practices, optimize pricing, use templates, and monitor reviews. And that's basically it.